Hi everybody, good evening, good evening. I hope everybody has had a wonderful Wednesday. Today is What You Working On Wednesday. First off, I would like to apologize. I know I've not been that great at keeping my daily routine. Do apologize. Just been in a lot of pain lately. Not getting sleep because of said pain. You know, that kind of thing. So I've just been on a roller coaster, but it's all good. It's all good. But I did want to apologize that I didn't do my Made It Monday or Too Much to Do Tuesday. So just been hurting, been busy, you know, all that fun stuff. So, like I said, I do really apologize. It's never my intention to miss any videos or anything, so you know, but it's okay. But yeah, a lot going on, and besides that, a lot going on too. You know, it's almost Thanksgiving, and excuse me, I've been running around with my mom and, you know, grocery shopping and getting things done and all that fun stuff. You know, when I finally did feel better with my back, I needed to clean and organize and all that fun stuff. There's Lily again. Miss Center of Attention. Huh, Lily? You pretty girl? You pretty girl? You want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? As she looks at the screen. You say hi? Hi. But anyways, sorry. Distraction. But anyways, there will most likely not be a video tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie. Probably not a morning motivational, because every year me and my mom cook together and whatnot, and then there probably won't be an afternoon video, but who knows, we'll see. Pretty sure there won't be, because I also haven't really made that much progress on the amigurumi I'm working on. So, but yeah, enough about me and what's been going on. Are you guys ready to see what I'm working on today? So, I know some of you are new, so you probably don't know this. We had one of our YouTube family members lose her daughter, and they had 3 auctions to raise money for her and her family. That is Sherry K Loves Yarn and More. I will link her below. Please go check her out and give her some love. I would appreciate it. But I donated 3 shawls. Now, y'all have seen the other ones, the rainbow-esque looking one, the orange one with the sparkle in it, and then I hadn't started the third one. Then I finally started the third one, and I put it down, pick it up, put it down, pick it up, put it down, pick it up, put it down, pick it up. You know how that is. And whatnot. Sorry if you hear a cat. My cat Tigger, he's meow. Screaming like a crazy person. But anyways, I am getting closer and closer to the ending of this one. So sorry. No sleep. So I wanted to show you what this is looking like. This is Hobby Lobby. Rainbow Rhapsody in the colorway Teal of Fortune. Is it a Wheel of Fortune? Teal of Fortune? Can you tell what color it is by the name? I am using a 4mm clover Love my clovers. Clover. You can see that. It's shining off it. Anyways, it's a clover. It's a clover amore. My favorite. It's purple. I like pink, but purple's cool too. So that's what I'm using. Now the Rainbow Rhapsody is a 1 weight. I've also done a 2 weight, a 3 weight, and a 4 weight. I did make a shawl for Sherry Kate in a 4 weight. Turned out gorgeous. Now the shawl pattern I'm about to show you has not been released yet. This is my pattern. I finally wrote it up. Finally got it all written. Well, typed. And I have given it to the testers. But I have given them till January to do it. Because it is Thanksgiving tomorrow here in the U.S. And, you know, it's getting closer to Christmas. I know a lot of people crochet for Christmas. So, I wanted to make sure, give them ample time to test it and whatever. But it will be released in January. I'm not saying January 1st. But in January. Not positive when. Anyways. You guys ready to see it? I call it the Feeling Fancy Shawl. Ready? Okay. And this is, I want to say 45 acrylic, 55 cotton, or the other way around. I don't exactly remember. But that's the color. It is teal. And then it gradiates into grays. The teal was actually on the outside, but I didn't want gray and then teal. So I switched around the cake, and it is teal to gray. There's 918 yards. Like I said, I'm using a 4mm. But as you see, I'm getting the lace done. But the ends curl, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. And then it is a very long shawl. So it goes from here. And of course there's going to be a few more rows of the lace. So all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way to here. So it is a ginormous shawl, and I'm only using 1 cake. Now you can also use the 2 weight, the Hobie twisters, any of those. Excuse me. I also use a 4mm with those as well. I do crochet loosely, so but if you crochet tightly, you'll probably need a bigger hook. So, but anyways, that is what I'm working on. What are you guys working on? Tell me what you've been up to. I like hearing what you guys are working on, what you guys have been up to. Maybe gives me inspiration on what else I want to do next. Not that I don't have enough to do. You know, got a lot of stuff to do. I have a commission of a jellyfish and a bat. I do need to get that pig done. And then Boggy Creek blankets. Working on some projects for friends. And we'll not be showing those. We'll be taking pictures. Probably. And then we'll reveal all later, so they don't know. And you know who you are. Mm-hmm. You know who you are. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. You guys If I don't, I will keep yawning and keep making you yawn, and it's a nasty cycle. So, don't want that nasty cycle. I hate that cycle. Sorry. So sorry. Anyways. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. If you celebrate, if you're in a different country, I hope you have a good Thursday. Which for most of you, it is already Thursday. So I hope you're having a wonderful day when you're watching this. Right now it's about 8:05 in the evening. Just got to let this upload. I am recording on my tablet because it seems to upload faster than my phone. So, here's for hoping. So, anyways, also, one quick thing. I will be Saturday meeting up with 2 YouTubers. Sherry from Sherry's Bag of Holding and Cindy, Freeze Baby Fiber Frolic, I believe. Sorry, Cindy. It's like, yeah. Anyways, so look out for a video on our channels. I'm excited. We're all going to meet up here in my town where I live and go get some lunch. Maybe do some hanging out. Yeah, I'm going to do all that. Fun. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good one. Again, like I said. I love you all. And don't forget one small act of kindness. You never know what somebody's going through. Even if it's just a simple smile, a simple hello, how you doing? It may just change their day. So, have a good one, guys.